Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello and assalamu alaikum to everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel with my new interesting video. Because in today's video we are going to harvest our potatoes. Potato harvesting is a critical process, but it marks the culmination of months of dedicated effort and careful cultivation. Potatoes are one of the most widely cultivated crops globally, and today their harvesting process is quite simple but interesting. So stay tuned till the end. You can see in the video that we are harvesting the potatoes, but along with this, I will tell you some of the tips and tricks and all about the potatoes and their harvesting. So, let's see. The harvesting season typically begins when the potato plants have reached the maturity and the foliage starts to yellow and die back. This visual cue signals that tubers have reached an optimal stage for harvesting, as the energy of the potatoes has been directed towards the development of the potatoes beneath the soil. This is the simple method of harvesting that we are using the hand tools. This manual approach allows to carefully unearth the potatoes without causing damage to the tubers. The hands-on nature of this method demands skill and attention, as the potatoes must be gently lifted from the soil and collected without bruising or cutting them. So, this is our first experience because we just sowed the 5 potatoes and then we got 5 kg potatoes from them. This was first experience. We enjoyed that a lot because that was the first time, and the taste of these is very, very different from the general potatoes that we eat, that we buy from the market or anywhere, but these are totally organic without any artificial fertilizers, and their taste is so tasty. They're so tasty, and look how small these are and how big these are. We just got the potatoes in every size, you can see here. And the method of this growing the potatoes is quite easy. You just need the potato which is having the eyes. Eyes means, you can see in Google, what are the eyes of the potatoes, so that you can just bury it in the soil, and when it will produce some more potatoes, and you have to just give them regular water and the care which is needed for them, so that it will be of the good quality and the good taste. And the French fries of these potatoes is very, very, very tasty. Just the taste was just totally different from the French fries we just eat generally. And when you will grow these potatoes in your home, you will mark the difference between your own grown potatoes and the other one that you buy from the market, because there is a big difference between these two. One is of grown from your own hands, and the other one you buy it from the market. You don't know how it's grown or what fertilizers have been provided to it. So the harvesting, when you harvest the potatoes, this is so satisfying, totally satisfying. Just dig the soil, and then at once you see that there is a potato. oh, at once at the start, I just didn't even believe that, or it's real or not, because it was my first time. I didn't even saw harvesting potatoes, or I didn't do that before. It was my first time. I was very happy and excited to just harvest them. So these are so cute. We just also boiled them, and when we just ate them, their taste is lit, on fire, totally on fire. There was the soil of potatoes is quite soft, airy, not so clumpy, because there should be aeration in them in the soil so that air can pass. Oxygen can be provided to the tubers underneath the soil. The soil contains the animal manure, the dead leaves. The manure can have dead leaves, dead vegetables, or dead organic matter, because when it decomposes, it gives the nutrition or many compounds that are needed for the growth of any vegetable, plant, or for their life processes that are needed. So they can do the good photosynthesis. So there must be sunlight and air for the provision of the oxygen. And when the air passes through the soil, then it is provided to the tubers, and then they grow well. And the water passes underneath their roots and to the tips and every part of the plant. Okay, I hope so you just understood what I've said, all of that, and I've just showed all of the process of the harvesting. Along with harvesting, I just made the video for you guys, and I hope so that you liked, because this is my first video of harvesting the potatoes from my own garden. I just harvested so many others vegetables you can see on my channel, and there are a lot of vegetables grown in my garden, terrace garden. Okay, you all know, if you're a subscriber, you can subscribe at any time or unsubscribe at any time. It's your choice, okay? Hope so you enjoy the video. Thank you for watching.